2007, we had no experience being a global company. We had no experience with multiple asset classes. We had a lot to learn about the power of our technology.
We had to very quickly meet the harsh realities of competition. Nasdaq, always been in a very competitive environment, helped OMX to understand what it takes to be competitive, but it also included to get a real control over how you organized and how the cost was handled and so on. So it was a tough start. The communication from Nasdaq was brilliant. And very, very quickly, we were part of a global organization, a truly global organization.
It happened. We did move the company from being a company that was focused on heavily regulated businesses and on governments to one that's focused on cutting-edge technology and being engaged with the best technology companies around the world.
We have become an industry leader, which all other exchanges and marketplaces work with or copy when it comes to business and execution.
We're not just saying you have to trade whatever it is you want to trade, like cash equities. I say, okay, you want to trade a product, let's take what we already have, transform it so it suits what you need to do. And that makes us both a good partner, and it just opens up so many opportunities for what we might be able to do or will be able to do going forward.
The fact that Nasdaq merged with OMX really created a competitive environment, a sales approach, a commercial environment in the listing business where we're always continuously dynamically looking at how do we attract companies rather than to wait for them. And I think that's the spirit of Nasdaq, and that's something that we've brought into the Nordic culture, and we've benefited from that success.
When you bring talent of the people, knowledge, when you bring the expertise in technology, when you bring the drive, the motivation, and the collaboration, we knew we had a great cocktail to lead us for the next 10 years, which is exactly what happened.
I'm very excited personally of the way Adina is really giving us the possibility to be engaged in Nasdaq's future and giving the vision and the mission to everyone.
And so if we can take our technology prowess and basically our technology foundation and use that in markets everywhere, imagine the impact that we could have on the world.
When I look forward, I do think that all of the assets that we have today, our market technology business, our data analytics business, our markets business, and our corporate solutions and our corporate services are all really critical components of the capital markets ecosystem. So what really excites me today is realizing how much further we can go across each component of our business to drive more value to our clients, to reimagine the markets of tomorrow, and to work together to find a way, a path forward for our markets to become the center of all capital markets and beyond in the global economy.